If you're looking for a real way to build a business in 2025, this video is for you. I'm revealing 7 powerful machines that turn simple materials into products people buy daily. Low investment, high demand, and insane profits. Let's dive into the first one right now. Machine 1, Bamboo Toothbrush Maker. This compact machine is part of a booming trend: eco-friendly personal care. It uses a semi-automatic tufting system to insert bristles into bamboo handles. The machine costs around $4,000 and can fit easily in a small workshop or home setup. With just one operator, it can produce 500 toothbrushes a day. Raw material cost, about 13 cents per unit. Wholesale pricing starts at $150, but with custom logos or packaging, prices can reach $4 to $5 each. That's over $750 in daily revenue and over $500 in daily profit if run efficiently. The real power comes in niche targeting. Think yoga studios, wellness brands, corporate gifting, and eco-friendly subscription boxes. These customers are actively seeking sustainable products and are willing to pay a premium. Add a simple packaging solution, offer private labeling, and you're not just selling toothbrushes, you're building a green brand that scales. One machine, one operator, real recurring profit. Machine 2, Lip Balm and Cream Filler. This machine opens the door to the highly profitable skincare and cosmetics market. The lip balm and cream filler is compact, user-friendly, and costs around $1,500. It automates the process of filling tubes or jars with creams, balms, body butters, and similar products. With a simple setup, one person can fill up to 500 containers per day. The cost per unit, including ingredients and packaging, is about 30 cents. Branded properly, these can retail from $5 to $12 each, depending on formulation and packaging quality. That's potential revenue of $2,500 daily and profit margins reaching $1,500 or more per day. Beyond launching your skincare brand, you can also offer private label manufacturing for others. This means producing for influencers, spas, or boutique cosmetic lines. The beauty industry thrives on presentation, and this machine lets you deliver premium-looking products with low overhead and scalable production potential. Machine 3, USB Cable Assembler. This small-scale machine taps into a daily necessity: USB charging cables. The assembler costs around $2,000 and allows a single person to manufacture cables by attaching connectors, soldering wires, and sealing casings. It's efficient, compact, and requires minimal training. Each cable costs about 50 cents to produce, including connectors, wire, and casing. Wholesale prices range from $1 to $3, while retail or custom branded versions can sell for up to $6. With an output of 1,000 cables per day, that's $2,000 in daily sales and profit margins exceeding 50%. This machine isn't just for individual sales, it's ideal for B2B. Companies order custom cables for events, tech gifts, or product bundling. Offer custom branding or packaging and position your business for corporate contracts, phone accessory retailers, or electronics marketplaces. With clean margins and a universally needed product, this machine is a reliable choice for both volume and branding opportunities. Machine 4, Plastic Lid Molding Machine. This machine may not look flashy, but it consistently delivers high volume profits. The plastic lid molding machine is used to produce snap-on lids for yogurt cups, coffee containers, food trays, and more. It operates semi-automatically and costs around $6,000. Using food-grade plastic pellets that cost roughly $1.20 per kilo, the machine can create about 400 lids per kilo, meaning production costs are just 3 cents per lid. Wholesale pricing ranges from 10 cents to 20 cents, depending on size and customization. With a daily output of up to 3,000 lids, this translates to over $600 in revenue per day and clean profits of $400 or more. Demand is stable and continuous, especially from local food producers who can't afford large factory minimum orders. By offering custom printed lids with faster turnaround and smaller batch sizes, you tap into a huge underserved market. It's low labor, high output, and delivers consistent business from repeat clients. Machine 5, notebook printer and binder. This machine combination allows you to produce custom notebooks, planners, journals, and sketchbooks with minimal setup. The required tools include a thermal inkjet printer, a paper cutter, and a small binding unit. Altogether, the full setup costs between $2,000 and $3,000. Each notebook, including printed pages, cover, and spiral or glue binding, costs around 80 cents to produce. These can be sold wholesale for $4 or retail for $10 to $15, especially if personalized. One operator can realistically produce 150 to 200 notebooks per day, generating over $1,000 in daily sales and profit margins of 60% or more. Markets include schools, coaching centers, office suppliers, and online platforms like Etsy or Amazon. The highest profit potential lies in personalized or branded notebooks for small businesses, events, or influencers. With strong design, efficient batching, and targeted outreach, this setup allows you to launch a product-based business that scales creatively and delivers consistent returns. Machine 6, microfiber cloth packer. This machine handles cutting and packing microfiber cloths used for cleaning glasses, phones, cameras, and car interiors. It costs approximately $2,500 and allows you to cut bulk microfiber rolls into individual cloths, then neatly pack them in plastic sleeves or branded wrappers. Each microfiber cloth costs under 10 cents to produce, including the material, packaging, and optional label. These can sell wholesale for 50 cents to $1.50 each. With an output of over 1,000 clothes per day, daily revenue can exceed $1,000 and profit margins are consistently high. Your target market includes optical shops, phone accessory vendors, camera stores, and automotive retailers, all of which order in bulk. You can also brand the packaging for promotional giveaways or retail kits. This machine is compact, clean, and runs efficiently with just one operator. With consistent demand and simple logistics, it's a scalable entry into a high-use, low-cost product market. Machine 7, liquid soap bottler. This machine is designed for bottling liquid soap products like hand wash, dish soap, shampoo, and body wash. It includes a semi-automatic liquid filler, around $1,200, and a manual or foot pedal capper, around $300, making the total setup cost approximately $1,500. You don't need to manufacture the soap, just purchase it in bulk. The cost per 500 milliliter bottle, including soap, bottle, and label, is about 75 cents. These can be sold wholesale for $2.50 or retail for $5 to $10 under a custom brand. With a production capacity of 1,000 bottles per day, you can generate $2,500 in revenue and over $1,500 in profit daily. Target markets include local retailers, gyms, salons, hotels, and e-commerce customers. Offer private label services for small businesses or bundle products as gift sets. This is a low-cost, high-demand product line that's simple to start and highly scalable with the right branding strategy. These 7 machines aren't just equipment. They're business models ready to run. Low investment, strong margins, and real products people need every day. If any of these caught your attention, start researching, take action, and make it real. Like, comment your favorite, and subscribe for more profitable machine ideas.